Here comes your pre-market summary for Wednesday, July 6th. Futures back in negative territory once again this morning, coming off a pretty impressive reversal yesterday that was led by tech and growth stocks that have been beaten down so much throughout the beginning or first half of this year. Back to the upside yesterday, though. We'll talk about some individual names that put in very impressive performances right across the board, including Wayfair, Carvana, and also Zoom, up double digits on the percentage side of things yesterday. There's a look at how things stand right now. The S&P down about 0.4, the Dow 0.3, 0.5% for the NASDAQ, coming off a 1+% yesterday gain for the NASDAQ that led the way, as we said. 0.75 here for oil right now, back in positive territory. If you remember, down huge yesterday for crude oil, more than 8% when all was said and done to the downside. We'll have a look at some of the oil stocks, more negativity. For crypto markets, there's a look at the SPY back above 380 once again. So we'll have a look at where the market should, or at least try to hold once again. But Fed minutes to come this afternoon, 2 p.m. We'll get the meeting minutes from the latest Federal Reserve meeting going back to June. Some keys in there that could move the market. Yeah, big news for Amazon today, picking up a 2% stake in Just Eat Takeaways Grubhub in the U.S., which is putting pressure on both DoorDash and Uber shares this morning. Amazon little changed at this point. Nice reversal day yesterday. Huge move back to the upside for Amazon. We'll talk about Amazon. There's a look at Uber quickly here, and also DoorDash, both down sharply after huge moves back to the upside yesterday. Altria back in the news as well. MO. Yeah, the FDA putting a hold on that ban of Juul products. So higher here in the pre-market for MO shares. Meta outperforming the entire tech sector yesterday, adding more than 5%. There was a Guggenheim price target cut this morning. They also said they're going to push ahead with their NFT, digital collectibles plan as well. And as I said, crude oil holding $100 currently. Grab the watch list, guys, on its way out to you currently. We'll be with you shortly to take you through the pre-market and get you set for the open right here on TraderTV.Live.